Hello world. Welcome to Python Machine Learning on the Edge. Machine countdown begins. 0987654321.
Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to RoboThought Zero to Hero series Python machine learning on the edge. Alright guys, why do I call this as an edge always? Because obviously we are doing machine learning examples and learning machine learning using the edge computing device called Jetson Nano. This is a single board computer and it's powerful enough to run your NumPy, Python, Pandas, Scikit, SciPy, you name the libraries. It's going to run like a beast. Alright guys, we are on lesson number 8 and I am going to show you high dimensions in NumPy arrays for machine learning purpose. So I had showed you the 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension, 4 dimension, n dimensions, right? That's what we are going to do, and it's basically multiple dimensions. So an array in NumPy can have any number of dimension, guys. There is no limit. So when the array is created, you can define the number of dimension by using ndmin argument. Okay, it's called ndmin argument, or a method. You can call it as a method in NumPy within Python. All right, so let me show you how to do that with an example. So let's get into our Jetson Nano. I'm already logged in. Let me share my screen. Alright, I am on my Visual Studio IDE. So let's import NumPy as np. Alright. Guys, when you hit enter, make sure that you select NumPy as NP, because by default it selects NumPy in the drop down. So you got to be double careful, it doesn't accept as NP, and then hit a space again. Better to hit a space and then enter. Alright. ARR is for array, equals, you can name anything. It's not mandatory that you need to say ARR. You can say, you can put your name. ARR equal to NP dot ARRAY, and then a curvy bracket and a square bracket. Always remember guys, the arrays or the list are inside a square bracket. Alright, these are very important syntaxes, you can never forget. Your code is not going to work. And 1 2 3 4. Alright, now let's come out of that with a comma, and we'll use the method called ndmin. Okay, see, it just pops up, equals to, let's say I want to read, say, the dimension of 5. I'm just taking an example. All right, now let's say print ARR. So if you print directly from here, nothing is going to happen, because you need to again print. You are asking for what is the dimension, how many dimensions are there. It has 5 dimensions, or you are going to confirm whether it's got 5 dimensional array. All right, so you got to print again, print, and a curvy bracket with a single quote, number of dimensions. Okay, number of dimensions. You can put my name is equal to dimensions, even that you can put in the string, right? So it will work. And colon, and come out of your code, the single code, put a comma, and then ARR dot ndim. Okay, these are the methods and functions you got to learn, and remember, make a note of it. All right, now let's say right click and run this run this program. Let me just enlarge my screen. Okay, now right click, run Python file in terminal, There you go, guys. So it shows the dimension 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it starts with 0, and the number of dimension it says 5, right? Using the method called ndmin and ndim, right? It's very important, guys. You guys need to understand these stuff. These are going to help you when you start getting into your machine learning projects. You will be working with tensors, and you will be working with hundreds of dimensions of tensors, which is going to come into later stage. I'm going to show you how it works. So guys, that's it for this lesson. I'm going to be back soon. Bye bye until then.